This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your wireless earbuds to your Android phone. So this is actually really easy to do. So in the top right we just want to swipe down and we can just go to the Bluetooth button. We can see I already have something connected. I can just hold down on this button and it'll auto scan for it. Then all you need to do is open up your case and remove your earbuds. And this should put it into the Bluetooth and pairing mode. So these are a little bit hard to get up. Now the only thing is, if you already have these connected and paired to a different device, as soon as you take them out, they're already going to be connected to your previous device. So you're going to have to unpair them in like your phone settings or your computer settings, otherwise you won't be able to find them. So sometimes this will also stop scanning, so you might have to turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on, and then it should scan again. Otherwise just go to the Bluetooth options and you should be able to see them in there as well. So here it is, the JLab Pop Go Plus or wherever. I'm just going to go to this and press it and go to pair. So these earbuds should now be connected. You can see under Bluetooth they're on here. And then we can, looks like it just popped up for me right here. I can go to save. Now it's saved on my phone and I should be able to use them now. And I can also go to media output right here. I can switch back and forth between my phone speakers and my JLabs, and then I also have my SP9i, which are these ones right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.